friends, I am Dr. Sagar Prasad Dubey. So today we are going to discuss on the topic of dialysis. What do you mean by dialysis? Dialysis, you can say it's an artificial kidney which works as equal as real normal and natural kidneys. When your natural kidney is the given to your body, human body, fails to work because of lots of problems, then doctor will put you on the dialysis. There are two types of dialysis: hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Hemodialysis, it means blood filtration, like kidney filter your blood to remove toxic waste products and nitrogenous waste, urea, creatinine, fluids from your blood. Like this peritoneal hemodialysis machine, it has a dialyzer which remove excess waste, salt, electrolytes, fluid and toxins from your blood. So there are the 5 mottos of doing hemodialysis. You can count it as a AEIOU. So A is for acidity. For any type of acidic conditions, doctor also advised you to do hemodialysis. AE, electrolyte imbalance. Whenever there is hyperkalemia, then doctor will advise you to do hemodialysis, because low levels and high levels of potassium will cause low levels of hypokalemia will cause paralysis of your body, and it is essential for normal functioning of each and every voluntary and involuntary muscles using action potential. And whenever there is increase in the level of potassium, then there will be a risk of cardiac arrest and heart blocks. So high level of potassium should be treated by doing hemodialysis. So AEI, intoxication. In case of any poisoning or any intoxication, doctor also advise you to do hemodialysis. Then AEIO, overload. It means fluid overload. In case of any fluid overload in case of renal failure patient who has end-stage renal kidney disease, whose kidneys don't function 80 to 85 to 90% properly, this patient needs dialysis. So whenever there is fluid overload, then doctor will advise you to do hemodialysis. Uremia. It means there is whenever there is increase in the levels of urea, nitrogen, then doctor will advise you to do hemodialysis. So hemodialysis is the procedure to replace our natural kidneys by artificial kidneys. When your natural kidneys doesn't work properly, about their function goes down up to 85 to 90%, then doctor will advise you to do hemodialysis. Then we try to understand what are the causes of acute and chronic kidney failure which leads to do hemodialysis. See, acute kidney failure has successful recovery rates with a proper medication and treatment. Then your kidney comes to a normal level and there will be no need to do hemodialysis. In case of chronic kidney failure, like because of diabetic nephropathy, hypertensive nephropathy and lots of many other problems, septicemia, etc., then this type of patient goes into end-stage kidney renal failure, end-stage renal disease, and this patient need lifelong hemodialysis unless and until they don't get renal transplant. So this is known as hemodialysis. On the next time we'll we'll discuss upon peritoneal dialysis. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.